Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can log in into your MoonPay account. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the MoonPay app on your device. After that, you can see two options on your screen, either to continue with your Google account or continue with your email. Here, I'm going to continue with my email address. So tap on the continue with email section. Now enter your email address and tap on the next icon. After that, you'll be sent a verification code to the email address that you just entered. Enter the verification code, and after entering the verification code, you will be now automatically logged in to your MoonPay account. The MoonPay app offers a fast and simple way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can buy the crypto with credit card, bank transfers, or Apple Pay, while also being allowed to easily sell Bitcoin. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.